I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, here in Milton, Massachusetts. I'd like to share some useful information on truck accidents. Accidents that involve large commercial trucks, like 18-wheelers, tend to cause much more damage than your average wreck. The weight of a big rig is typically 25 times more than a car, which means even a small hit can turn out to be catastrophic. I've been handling cases for the injured victims of truck accidents for over 15 years. If you'd like to discuss the wreck you were in, call me now at the number on your screen for a free consultation. I'm attorney Rob Levine, the heavy hitter, and I look forward to helping you get the money you deserve.